Hello guys, we are discussing chapter number 6, vibrations and waves. So let's start with the first problem, which states the wavelength of a water wave in ripple tank is 0.08 meter. If the frequency of the wave is 2.5 hertz, what is its speed? So now wavelength is given, frequency is given, and we all know the universal wave equation according to which V is equal to F lambda. Now this is the universal wave equation that we are going to use. Now we know F, I know lambda, so we can put it and we can find out the V. So when you multiply 0.5 hertz with 0.08 meter, you are going to get the speed of the wave. So it will be coming out to be equal to 0.2 meter per second, right? So I hope you understood how we calculated the speed of the wave. Now coming to the next problem, it states the distance between the successive crest in a series of water wave is 4 meter and the crest travel 9 meter in 4.5 seconds. What is the frequency of the wave, right? For finding out frequency, again we are going to use the universal wave equation, but for universal wave equation we require the speed of the wave. So now the speed of the wave can be found out with this statement: it is traveling 9 meter in 4.5 seconds. So delta D is 9 meter, delta T is 4.5 second, so V is delta D upon delta T. So now I hope you understand, speed is distance upon time, the change in distance upon change in time is speed. So now what is delta T? It is 9 upon 4.5. So 9 meter upon 4.5 second will be equal to 2 meter per second, and this is my speed. Now we know the speed over here. This is my universal wave equation. Now we know the lambda over here, and we can find out the frequency. Frequency is 2 meter per second upon lambda, which is 4 meter, right? So it will be equal to 0.5, and the unit of frequency is cycles per second or hertz, right? So frequency can be 0.5 hertz. Now coming to the next question, it states the period of sound wave from a piano is 1.18 into 10 raised to power minus 3 second. If the speed of the wave in air is 3.4 into 10 raised to power 2 meter, what is its wavelength, right? Now here the time period is given and we have to find out the wavelength, right? So the time period is given, the V is given, and we have to find out the lambda. Again, from the universal wave equation, we can see V is equal to lambda into F. We know V is equal to lambda into F from the universal wave equation. Now frequency is 1 upon time, that we already know. So we can be represented as lambda into 1 upon time period, right? So V is equal to lambda upon T, or I can say lambda is equal to V into T. Now we know both V, we know T. So we are going to put it. So lambda is equal to 3.4 into 10 raised to power 2 meter per second multiplied with the time period, which is 1.18 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So now here if you multiply both of them, you are going to get 0.4 meter, and this is the wavelength for the given wave. I hope you understood it. Now coming to the next and the last problem, the distance between the two successive nodes in a vibrating string is 10 centimeter, right? So distance between two nodes is given. The frequency of the source is 30 hertz. What is the wavelength? What is the speed of the wave? So we have to find out two things over here, wavelength and speed. Now distance between two successive nodes. We all know distance between two nodes. If my wave is represented like this is my first node, this is my second node, right? It can be crest, or I can take the nodes over here as well. So if I take my wave like this, so distance between these two nodes, right, you can see here only half of the cycle is complete, or I can take these two nodes as well. So distance between two nodes is half of the wavelength, so it can be represented as lambda upon 2. So distance between two successive nodes is lambda upon 2. Lambda upon 2 is given, which is 10. So lambda will be equal to 10 into 2, which is equal to 20. Now it is given in centimeters, so 20 centimeter. Now we have to find out the second thing. Wavelength we have found out. Now we have to find out the speed of the wave. So speed of the wave is given by the universal wave equation. V is equal to F lambda. So V will be equal to, what is the frequency? It is given 30 hertz, and the lambda we have found out, it is equal to 20 centimeters. So V will be equal to 600 centimeter per second, or I can represent it as 6 into 10 raised to power 2 centimeter per second. So this is how we can find out both of the things in this question. So I hope you understood all of the questions. Thank you so much.